Guys, today we talk about how can you add payment methods on your PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on payment options, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here your card number, you expire date, and here's here then a card name, and here postal or zip code. Then you click here on agree and add, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.